Question number 20. Which of the following living organisms classifies as omnivore? A. Lion. B. Fungi. C. Bear. D. Rabbit. Of course, the correct answer is the bear. And if I extend my explanation here, I'm gonna saying that the herbivorous are organisms that eating plants, only carnivorous, only meat eaters, omnivorous eating both, detritivore organisms that eat dead plants and animal matter. And if he stopped like this, it will be detritivore, by the way. If he said and return it back to the environment or to the ecosystem, it will be a decomposers. So decomposer, they are detritivore. Many students don't know or mix it up. Decomposers is considered a detritivore that also feed on the dead plants and animals and the organic matters, but they convert it into simpler compounds. So they make it available again to the ecosystem so that another plant can make use of it. That's a very important point.